Welcome back on Anything That Moves. Let's get into it today. Okay, so we're going to talk about a couple of things, and definitely Tesla. Right there, Tesla. We're going to talk about Tesla because earnings is coming up on Tuesday. So we want to see, what's going on. This is the earnings for the week of April 22nd. The first row right here is the week we're on, okay? So here's Monday, and this is Tuesday. Alrighty, so Tesla right here. Okay, let's just go to this chart and let's see what's going on. Alrighty, Tesla. This is Tesla, how it looks on the daily time frame. Okay, I want to show you this because a couple of things have happened. We want to know, is Tesla going into the bear market? That's what we all are here for. By the way, at the end of the video, I get into some other things, some, good conversation or whatever, some light. So anyway, Tesla right here at this level, okay, let me just show you the level real quick. Okay, there we go. We have this blue line. I was just having a little technical difficulty. Okay, so you see how Tesla hit down here, popped up, okay? It hit here, it came up. When it came down here before, it came up. Okay, this is a double bottom when it does that, right? When it does that, it should have kept going up. It didn't. It should have kept going up and hit into here. It didn't. So clearly we see that it broke through. This is not looking good, okay? This is not looking good. Now that it dropped through here, this other blue line that we have here, that was the other support level. When you see here on the left side, you see where I'm drawing the green? We had support back here in May at this level. We just kind of tipped right through that. Oh boy. So, so why am I saying, are we going to a bear market? Okay, look, the Cybertruck recall. Does everybody know about that? We just had a Cybertruck recall, like at the worst possible time. Earnings is coming out on Tuesday. Like, this is a hot mess, okay? This is a hot mess. So we have that problem. Then, okay, also we have the problem where this whole investors to approve his $56 billion payout package, okay, that he wants. And also where Tesla is saying they're going to leave Delaware where they're incorporated at, and they want to go to Texas, all right? So they want to move the incorporation of where Tesla is at. This is a lot of drama, okay? This is a lot of drama for the stock. And then also we got this problem, okay, which sometimes laying off, even though laying off sounds bad, sometimes when a company lays off people, actually the stock goes up sometime, right? But with all this other stuff, see, but they're laying off the staff. Why? Because the global sales are down. That's not good. So we have a couple of things here that's just like a little bit of a hot mess. So where are we going to go if we keep going lower? Okay. I hate to even go here, but you see this level down here? I mean, I'm just going to draw a little line real quick. What about that? Who really wants to do that? Nobody. Okay, that's 100. I'm holding some Tesla right now. Not a lot because I was kind of like iffy about this. I was like, let me see if we hold this line here. We didn't. Okay, so I was accumulating some shares around here, but I was like, let me just go in light because what happened, what I thought could happen actually happened. So I was like, okay. So yeah, am I gonna hold my position? I'm light enough. Yeah, I'm gonna hold that, and then I'll come down here if and when, because anything can happen. I'll accumulate down here in this area, right? I'll do that. So now this is the thing. So like we were talking about before, what's gonna happen? We're gonna have earnings, right? Okay, here, Tuesday. If this thing pops up, I mean, Tesla, the stock is crazy. So if by any chance, miracles, right, that it rallies back up, okay, and it passed, then hey, then all this down here, that's off. If it happens to just revert and go back up here, up to the upside. But I have to say that because we know this stock has done things before. I mean, before here, when it hit here, it went up. Okay, earnings. So I don't know. We have so much negative news, but sometimes, I'm saying both things because yes, it seems like a bear case because of the Cybertruck recall, right? And then this thing here with the payout, and then with the layoff because the global sales are down. But, are they trying to shake people out of some positions? I don't know. So, I'm holding what I have because I could tolerate going down in here. I could do that. I can go down to 100 and hold and stuff like that. So I just wanted to make sure that I told everybody, like what's going on with the stock, the reasons why, we have all these different issues here, the support here. I see this was back. This is like beginning of the year, January up, not January 24 of 23. We had this level. Okay. So I wanted to make sure I showed you, all this kind of things. Now I just want to move on a little bit because, maybe we're having a little bear case. Wait, hold on. Let me say this other thing for some other people, okay, where we break through here and then they go, yeah, party's on. And then earnings happens and then we go in about 2 or 3 weeks. Don't think that can't happen. Okay. So people stay nimble. Okay, because look at here, right? And then right? So stay nimble with your positions. Be ready to, shake, rattle, and roll. So if you're like a long-term investor, well, every time you see support, you can just take a little bit down here, this level, take a little bit if you're a long-term investor. But everybody else, just be quick with it. So now I'm just going to go into this other stock. This is Pepsi. Now, what is Pepsi doing? Pepsi is... okay. And all this mayhem. Where is Pepsi Cola? Tuesday also. Okay. Tuesday also. But Pepsi, this chart is looking kind of good. Let me just zoom back. Okay. Look at this. This is sexy. This is 2012 over here on the left side. And we've just been going up. Everybody loves Pepsi. I used to drink Coke. Now I drink Pepsi. Okay. So, it dipped down here before. Okay. Dips. So like major events, it dips, but then it just regains itself. So here we go. We hit this orange line, right? That's the 200 simple moving average. It hit there. It bounced up. So it got support. And so now, hey, are we about to go up past this purple? The purple line is the 50-day moving average. Once we pierce through here, so once we just go, then will we keep going at least to this level? Because I say this level because we were here before. $190, right? The tippy top, what is that? Looking like a little bit, okay, almost 200. So let's see. So my point is, Pepsi is looking good. I'm just going to go to the daily time frame real quick. Okay, the daily time frame, you see it like this, right? And when something pierces 200 moving average, when something pierces through this, and it did here, right? You can see that. And let's say, let it get above this level here. Okay, so above $176.06. Once it gets above, so give it a little more room. Okay, once it gets above that, okay, now I'm going to say this again, though. You see this level, all right, 192. What's this level here? Can you see where I'm at? All right, go across 196. So do we have room to go here? At least here. All right, so I just wanted to point that out. Now, the market is having a hot mess of a time. It's been selling off and things like that. So you got to make sure, you take everything into consideration. And even though it's having earnings and, with the chart, you think, oh, maybe the earnings are going to be good. But what if even though sometimes it's a good earnings, things can still sell off. Because if the market is selling off. So just be nimble with it. If it goes down, okay, is this a support here? Is this a support here? Here. Okay, so you have some levels to look at. Okay, if you want to pick this up and hold for a while. Okay, since it's been going, who's not drinking Pepsi? Okay, it's probably somebody. Okay, if you're not drinking Pepsi, write in the comments below. I want to know, you're the one person that's not drinking Pepsi Cola. Okay, so the video is getting a little long. I want to wrap it up. I just want to leave you with this. Okay, so she said, Mel Robbins, she said, you need to hear this loud and clear. No one is coming. It's up to you. All right. Once I realized that, okay, I don't even know how long back that was. Okay. Because I don't want to, give my age. But once I realized no one's coming to save me, I have to save myself. It's up to me. Once I got into that mindset, oh, forget about it. Everything became easier in my life. Okay. Everything became easier. And then I made so much more money. Okay. After I realized no one's coming to save me. It's up to me. It's up to me, baby girl. Make your money yourself. Okay. Empower yourself. Keep studying. Keep learning. I'll be here for you next time on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.